Hey everyone, it's been a while. Um, been sick, waiting on parts. Not a whole lot has happened. I did get the doghouse back on. Um, well, most of it. I have one more panel I'm waiting for. We're gonna try and get a welder and start welding. We got the stuff on the back firewall hooked back up. We just kind of made up the layout, so we just put this up here, ballast resistor up in that corner, and yeah, both of the both of the panels are up. Looks good. Got it stained gray. I've decided I'm gonna do a two-tone gray for everything. So we have started taking off the bumper, the grill, and other various parts, and we're still working on the brakes. So that's the update for this week.